Sometimes the best way to reconnect with nature is nature itself. Escape the noise of the world and find peace on our serene trails, where the wild simply exists and you're invited to witness its beauty. Learn about the land and discover the wonders of nature in our interactive center. Take a moment. Let the rhythm of the river guide your thoughts as the day fades away. Effie Yeaw Nature Preserve, your escape into the heart of nature. Plan your visit today at effieyeawnature.org. Nature's waiting for you to answer.